So here's how to delete tag on ConvertKit. Deleting a tag on ConvertKit is pretty easy, and I will show you the steps you need to follow in order to do that. First of all, you need to open up your web browser, and as you can see, I'm already here. Then go to ConvertKit website and log in to your account. And as you can see, I'm already here. I have logged into my account, and this is my ConvertKit dashboard. From here, click on Grow from the top panel. After that, you need to click on the first option that says Subscribers right here. So, once you're in the next page, you'll get to see tags on the right side. And here, as you can see, I have a hashtag. You just need to click on the tag you want to delete. Once you select it, you will get to see the tag on the top left of this page. Here, click on Edit right beside the tag. And after that, you'll get a pop-up that says Edit Tag. Here, you'll get to see your tag. And all you need to do is click on Delete right here. And then, confirm the deletion by clicking on Delete Tag. And as you can see, the tag has been removed from the tag section. This way, you can easily delete a tag in ConvertKit. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.